Hi there and welcome to another video. I am Raluca. NYX Cosmetics currently has a fun challenge going on. I got sent a little box of products and a carnival mask, and I will use this as guidance and add some colors without knowing how the end makeup look is going to turn out. I think this is really fun. I'm really excited to try this challenge. It's going to be kind of like a fun festival look. It's going to be colorful and creative, and hopefully this mask is going to make my job a lot easier. So let's get into it. Okay, let's put this on and get to work and tie it at the back of my head. I hope this will not ruin my brows, because I feel like it's kind of pushing on them. In this little bag I have the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in Festival. Great. Just what I needed. Aww. My god, it's so lovely. Oh, I love these tones, they are so pretty. It also has a black, which is so rare in a colorful palette. It's really versatile. It also has like a couple of neutrals and this beautiful gold, and the rest of it is colorful. I'm gonna attempt to create a little bit of a gradient. Let me use this beautiful pink shade and I will see from there. I'm just stamping it. I need to kind of hold the mask against my face because it kind of lifts off my face. I'm building up that pink, fade it into the sides, and let me continue with the orange, and I will attempt to blend it into the pink. I'm kind of nervous because I don't know how this will turn out. Let's move on to the next color, which is going to be the yellow. I don't know what to expect from this. And I will finish off this part with this lighter pink. Just trying to use something that would blend into the yellow. I can't really go for purple right now because purple and yellow are complementary colors and they don't mix well. I kind of want to fill in this area as well, but I think I'm gonna go for the purple. The purple has a bit of glitter in it, from what I can see. And I will take the hot pink again to continue that gradient. Okay, let's see what I ended up with because I'm really curious. Oh, this is so cute! Because of this darkness, like the darker purple that I have in the center of my face, I feel the need to balance it out with a little bit of darkness, maybe on my outer corner. Let's see what else I have here. I have some colorful eyeliners, a red one and a yellow one. Also some liquid eyeshadow that I think I'm gonna go for my lids to brighten things. This one is in the shade, does it have a shade? Yeah, the shade is called Golden Goji. I haven't owned the liquid shadow in such a long time and I missed it. This is extremely pretty. I actually have an idea with this red eyeliner. It's Epic Wear waterproof in the shade red. Pretty straightforward. I'm gonna use it to line my eyes, but I want to create kind of like a curved shape in my outer corner. This is really pigmented. I was kind of disappointed by colorful liners before, so this actually seems really promising though. I want to do something on the lower lash line as well, but I'm not sure what. Maybe, let's see, I'm just gonna add some shapes. Let's see about this yellow. It's the Vivid Brights eyeliner. I want to add some more color and shapes to this look. Actually, the shade is called Had Me at Yellow. So cute. Okay, I managed to rip off the seal. Oh, and it has a heart inside of the box. So cute. It says you're supposed to shake it well before using it, so I'm doing that. And I want to create kind of like a symmetrical kind of line above this red. Oh, this also has really lovely pigment. think I'm actually gonna extend this one on my entire crease. Or not. No, I'm not gonna apply it in the center of my crease, but I'm gonna continue it here. I want to use it to maybe fill in some of these shapes. Okay, yeah, this kind of defines the shape a little better. I applied some mascara. I piled up like 2 mascaras, 3 coats, curled my lashes. Now I want to do my lips. I have here some lip products as well. I'm really curious about this pencil, the Line Loud Lip Pencil. And I have here the shade Fierce Flirt. I've seen some videos online. Apparently this is really long lasting. I'm really curious how it looks. It has a really creamy texture. It glides easier than most lip pencils I've tried. I'm gonna follow up with the NYX lingerie in the shade Flaunt It. I haven't used the NYX lingerie in such a long time. I loved this range when I was in university, I think, because they had a lot of nude shades, and I've always enjoyed nude lips. This smells so good. Again, it kind of smells like coffee liquor. Similarly to that Maybelline gloss that I've been trying recently, the Lifter gloss. They do have a similar scent. And last but not least, I want to top things, I think my lips. I have something from the Glitter Brilliance range, and it's the shade Ice. But first I'm going to go for a glitter primer. Again, from NYX is the Glitter Brilliance base. And just gonna use my finger. I'm pretty unbothered at this point. And again, I'm picking it up on my finger. This has some green reflections. It's pretty. It looks kind of mermaidy. And this is the finished look created with a little bit of help from this mask. I really like how it turned out. I think it's a really fun, creative idea. I kind of enjoy doing a more creative, colorful look, and I would definitely wear this to a festival if I ever went to one. I do hope that you enjoyed this video and the look that I came up with. I wish you an extraordinary day, and I will see you next time. Bye!